YouTube, what's going on? Black Prince the Barber. In this video, I just want to tell you guys why I started back using detachable blades. I mean, don't get me wrong, the regular clippers like the JRL, Oster Fast Speed, Fabulous Pros, now all of those are my really go-to clippers. I just want to give you the real sauce on what made me start back using detachable blades. Let's go. Yeah. A little lazy self. All right, YouTube, the reason I want to start back using detachable blades because of the time consuming. Because you know what I'm saying, you can have like 3 or 4 people in your shop waiting for a haircut, and therefore, you know what I'm saying, the 3 people that's waiting, they can just leave. So with that being said, man, you probably want to use detachable blades so you can have less time to cut your client's hair, more time to get them out. So that's why I decided to go back to detachable blades, time consuming. One other thing, what I mean by time consuming, you know what I'm saying, you get more out, less time. I mean, because you know, a lot of barbers, they always take 45 minutes to an hour for one haircut. But with the Oster 76ers and the Oster Octane, man, look, 25 to 30 minutes, you'll have one client out. That's plus the enhancements and everything else, the pencil, that's 30 minutes. But if you use more time with the JRL, the Instinct, and all the other name brand clippers, just think about it, man. They still clippers, but I'm gonna shoot onto the house and let you guys see the differences of what I'm talking about. So I'll see you at home. All right, guys, I just made it home, and I just wanted to just show you guys a hands-on thing of what I'm talking about. Because the reason I'm going back to detachable blades, because like I was saying, it takes less time to cut more hair. I mean, because like if you just was to walk in the barbershop, I'm not bashing the other barbers. You can use what you want to use. I mean, I still use adjustables, but I only use my adjustables when I'm doing more detail work. But if I want to just go ahead and cut my client, because you know, like I always say in all my videos, you know what I'm saying, all the fades gonna come out the same because you're doing the same thing on every haircut. The haircut can be a taper fade. You're gonna start out with that first initial bald guideline, and you're gonna end up like any other haircut, like a bald fade. You're gonna start out with the first initial guideline. But the most important part of detailing is, you know what I'm saying, you just have to have that barber's eye. But with that being said, man, when you started to fade, man, the process of the fade is like less than 15 minutes to a fade. Now, let's get back to these. Now, the Oster 76ers, these are my go-to clippers. I love them, man. Big shout out to Oster, man, for making the 76ers so easy to cut. And yeah, these are my go-to clippers when somebody just come in and say, hey, Prince, man, I need a fresh cut. I need a quick cut. Right here, okay? But like if I'm doing like a YouTube tutorial or whatever, I'll come out with these boys right here, my Fabulous Pro FX, man, because you know, they always need to be in the spotlight. I don't mind putting my clippers in the spotlight. I got plenty more clippers like my Wahl Seniors, my Cordless Masters, and I have a white pair of these right here, and I have, hold on, and I actually do have a pair of detachable Oster Octanes as well. Now, detachable. I just usually do these when I'm doing house calls and everything. You know, just something easy and get your client on out the door and everything. And I like the way they run, man. The battery is 100% horsepower, Ferrari type stuff. Yeah, but with that being said, man, I'm not bashing the barbers that just use adjustables. I still use adjustables. Come on now, I use adjustables. Don't get me wrong. But like I said, my adjustables is only for like detailing or knocking the butt down or just evening somebody up if they have an afro or whatever. But with that being said, man, everybody have their own picks of how they want to cut hair. But me myself personally, I just rather use the detachable blades because I find the detachable blades are very time consuming, like I said, and yeah, with that being said, but I want to change it up for 1 minute. I want to show you guys the enhancements that I use. Shout out to Wavy Kid Kev, man, because I always stay on your channel, bro. I learn new things from you. So big shout out to Wavy Kid Kev. Okay, I was surfing Wavy Kid Kev channel one day, and I kept on rewinding the video, trying to see where he get it from. Because everybody in the comment section was like, everybody in the comment section of Wavy Kid Kev video, they was like, where you get that from? And so I paused the video and I just seen it. It was like on a, like written up here. And yeah, right here. Shout out to Wavy Kid Kev, man. You guys can go, I think it's the Barber Engineer or the I'm gonna leave the name up here as well. But yeah, this is some enhancements, man. You guys ought to check my videos out. If you want to see some fresh edge ups, nice enhancements with the pencil, check them out, man. But with that being said, I'm not gonna keep you guys long, but you know what I'm saying? I just wanna let you guys know that's why I go back to detachable, because I have more people to cut in less time. So keep that in mind. But with that being said, it's Black Prince the Barber, and I'm out. May God bless. Peace.
Hey, tell them boys quit playing with me, man. You already know, man. Black Prince, man. Real talk, man. Go follow my nigga, real talk.